Hello nerds, I am the Tech Boss. My name is Corey. I write for Hardcore Gamer. I review tech stuff, but now I have gone out to build my own computers and I'm going to show them all to you. I spent about 2 hours trying to perfectly get down this studio that I have that I will add more stuff to. I have a chair behind me because I'm an old man, but I don't have a lot of room to work with. I've already built and sold 2 computers, and with the current state of affairs, which is actually getting better as of April 2026, RAM prices are starting to cool off because AI has figured out, I guess it has figured out, that it doesn't need all the RAM that it's saying that it needs. So within a week, I've already seen RAM prices drop. GPU prices are set to fall because I guess NVIDIA figured out another means of compression. So we're kind of saved from this. I did literally seemingly pick the worst time to get involved in building and creating a channel and all that, because I decided this at the end of the year. I had sold my RTX 5080 PC for $2 grand. And that was right after Christmas. And that would probably be $3 grand now, but people still have to actually have money to buy it. So my focus on my PCs that I'm building, it is kind of how the market is swaying. The market is going towards more small form factor. You have the Steam box coming out. You know, the PS5 and the Series X were rather large, especially the PS5. If you want a gaming PC, that could still be it, but we're looking for things to put in our living rooms or in small spaces in bedrooms. Something that's efficient, quiet, and maybe not as bright. Don't get me wrong, I love the RGB, but some of these aesthetics that we're getting, look, they match furniture, which is pretty cool. It looks like something you'd order off of Amazon, or what's the Izog? I don't know. It's IKEA. Some of the pastel colors, a lot of wood grain stuff. This stuff's getting popular again, and it's funny because it's a throwback to the 80s. 80s, everything was wood grain, and people wanted TV as a piece of furniture. So we're kind of going back that way. Well, these cases are neat, and I'm fortunate to live about an hour and a half from the Charlotte Micro Center. So I run up, and I'm also based my actual IT job, pays the bills. I've done the gaming thing for 15 years with a couple different outlets. I got into tech reviews in 2017, and I remember the first thing I ever got was the Division it was a Ghost Recon headset from Thrustmaster, and I was like, wow, I don't really think about that. So I reviewed that. I had that headset for a very long time, and just occasional things. And then one day somebody sent me a power supply for a computer, and I'm like, well, I guess we'll go down this road and build another computer. So yeah, it kind of started from there, and I got back into PC gaming in 2017, I'd say. Yeah, 2017. And I did, a lot of things have changed. Ironically, today that I'm filming this is the 10-year anniversary of the launch of the GTX 1080 Ti, which is still the greatest card of all time. If you still have one, I had one. It was hybrid, it was liquid cooled, radiator cooled. That's still a good card if you don't care about any of the AI stuff, the DLSS stuff. It's solid. So if you're able to get one, get one. Or not. I'd rather you buy one of my PCs that I'm selling. I'm not trying to create a large overhead, but I'm just doing these on Marketplace. I've sold one on Marketplace, sold one on eBay. Currently have the H2 Flow case PC that I built that's a little bit more high mid-end. It's got an RTX 5070 in it and 32 gigabytes of RAM, DDR5. It's a mini ITX board that fits in there. It's got a small form factor power supply, all-in-one cooled, radiator mounted to the front with RGB. And kind of my favorite right now is the go-to, the AMD Ryzen 9600X. Very, very solid, right? The 7600X it's still good, it's still okay. 9600X is kind of what we need. So the idea is to be more I want builds that stick between $1,000 and $1,500 in the current marketplace. And I want it to be with fresh parts, AM5, Intel. Intel is going to throw me above that. And I consider Intel Arc GPUs. However, the devs for Crimson Desert just told everybody that has an Intel Arc GPU to off themselves, I guess. They just didn't do anything with it. I guess they're not going to do anything with it. And if you have that GPU, you're screwed.